I would like to know in TestNG, I would like to know, sir, what exceptions can come. If those exception can come, if those exception, okay, if coming, then I want to know how to, I want to handle those exceptions. Let's say some exceptions coming, like one. Let's say I written some code. In my code, some exception is coming, like as arithmetic exception. So if I know in prior that exception, arithmetic exception is coming, then I want to handle these exceptions. Okay, I want to handle these exceptions. So similar to try catch. So in try catch blocks, I am writing some code. In my try block, some arithmetic exceptions might able to come. So if I know arithmetic exception is coming, immediately I'm going to catch block and I'm handling the exception. Yes, all of you, please confirm. Come on, all of you, please interact.
Yes, sir.
Please interact. So in my try block, if I come to know arithmetic exceptions may come, then I'm handling the exception in the catch block now. So similar to
Yes.
test NG. In test NG, if arithmetic exception is coming or if any exception is coming, so how to handle those exception. So let's say I am saying, you know, public void, uh, you say method one. In this method, this is my test method. So let's say I'm opening some like remote web driver. Driver is equal to new remote web driver, new Chrome driver. Okay, new Chrome driver. So I written this code and I am saying driver dot get method. This I am opening https colon triple w dot let's say facebook.com. Yes, facebook.com. Okay, sir. Let's say I am saying driver dot find element. Okay, by name. Okay, na by name. And here you are writing something. Okay, so here you are writing something ABC, whatever. Okay, and you want some clicks. Hey, whatever. By dot नहीं आ रहा है क्या? Dot अच्छा ये डबल हो गया ना? Yes, now it will come, I think. Yes, dot click. Okay, all of you. So the thing is, sir, if this ABC is not present, then some exceptions can come, like no such element exception. Yes, all of you, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So if this
Yes.
ABC is not present, then no such element exception will come. Sir, in priority, I know these exceptions may come. आ सकता है. I'm not sure, but may come. The probability is there. So I'm going to the test and I'm writing expected exceptions is the attribute. Expected exceptions. In these exceptions, which exceptions you want to try, sir? I am saying any exception will come. Want to handle like this. Okay, all of you. Okay, now any doubts?
Yes. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in future, if any exceptions will come, those exceptions Definitely I can handle with the attribute name called expected exception. Okay, come on all of you, any doubts please let me know.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
Chalo, shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Please all of you please interact, this is not my session, your session na. Please interact.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Chalo. Come on all of you, very 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 most important topics. Okay na,
Yes,
most
sir.
important topic for the interview point of view, for the real project point of view. Sir, data provider, कभी कभी आप लोग सुनते होंगे डेटा ड्रिवन टेस्टिंग, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस, डेटा ड्रिवन टेस्टिंग। सर एक मिनट, डेटा ड्रिवन टेस्टिंग सर, in selenium data driven testing can be possible in two ways. First one is data provider annotation. At the data provider annotation. Second one is reading the Excel file. Currently, I'm going to tell you how to provide the data with the annotation called as data provider.
Yes, sir.
Later, give you Excel provider. You have to tell, sir, data providing can be possible in Selenium by using two ways. At the data provider and reading the Excel file. Reading the Excel file in the sense what, sir? Reading the Excel file, I will tell you later. First, we are going to see this one. Clear all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, listen very carefully. Sir, I am writing some method. Public void method one you should give. Okay now, and this is my test method. Yes. Sir, this method I want to execute first. I want to execute this method as first to give the priority because multiple methods can be there now. Can be there.
Yes, sir.
And here I am writing data provider annotation. And this data provider I am annotations I am saying test data. Some name I have given, some logical name here. Any
Yes, sir.
logical name I can in the attribute named called data provider. And here I am passing some parameter. Let's say integer x and integer y. So this number I want to add. Let's say I want to add x plus y, and I want to store into okay now w x y now. So w. Yes, all of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I want to print this one. The what is the result of w here? So w result is w. Okay. So this is one method. So this method contains how many parameters? Come on, all
Two
of
parameters.
you.
Two.
Two.
Two, sir.
Two.
Two parameters. So this method contains how many parameters?
Two
Two
parameters.
parameters. With these two parameters, I am doing something. No need to
Yes, sir.
bother. These two parameters value from where it will come, sir. If you watch carefully, I didn't given any value here. Sir, I want to
No, sir.
provide these two values from data provider annotation. So I am saying I want to write some public you know one thing, object double array, because data provider contains and returning the data object double array object. And I am saying data method now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir, I want to take some data. So object, what is the return type? Object double array. Sir,
Object double array.
object double array. Yes, now
Yes, sir.
you write data is equal to new object double array.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir, this data I want to pass. What and what data you want to pass, sir? Sir, how many parameters? Two parameters. So
Two.
two data you want to, you have
Pass.
to take two. So here I am taking set 12, 24, comma. Again I am taking two data. Bolo 21, 43. Again I want to take two. Okay na? Bolo
Yes, sir.
23 minus 55. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
return type is an object. Return type is an object, double array, and this is nothing but reference of the object double array. So I want to return this data or not?
Yes.
You want to return this data or not? Definitely yes.
Yes, sir.
I return the data. I return the data because return type is data,
Okay.
object double array. So this is what providing the data. How Selenium will come to know for this method you are providing the data from this method. For how Selenium will come to know method 1 contains two parameter. How Selenium will come to know, sir, method 1 contains two parameter. So method 1 contains two parameter. This value you are passing from the data method. How Selenium will come to know? So you need to write at the rate data provider, at the rate data provider. So this data provider, you need to give the names, what the logical names you have given here.
First data.
Understood all of you? So what names I
Yes,
have
sir.
given? Come on.
Test data.
Test data.
Test data. Test data. So I am saying name is equal to, बोलो क्या है? Test data ना?
Yes,
Like
sir.
this. Clear?
Yes,
So, sir, method 1 contains some parameter. Those parameters value I want to provide from the data provider annotation. How Selenium will come to know? You need to make the same name, what the logical name you have given in the data provider annotations of method 1. The same logical name you need to provide at the data provider annotations from the another method. It means what? It means these names should be same. These names should be same so that Selenium will come to
yes,
know, acha, these two values are providing from test data. So where is test data? At the data provider, there is not. If at the data provider
yes,
is there, Selenium will come to know, acha, these values are coming from data method. Okay, all of you?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसको run करो. Yes, all of you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bolo, any doubts?
No,
Any
sir.
doubts? Shall we see one more example like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Are you interested or feeling
Yes,
boring?
Yes, sir.
interested.
Interested,
Huh?
sir.
Feeling boring?
No,
Interested,
sir.
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 No, sir.
Interested.
Why you are saying yes, sir? Feeling boring, sir? Hmm? Raj Chaudhary, you said na? Yes, sir.
No, sir. I said no.
Babu re, I will block you. Okay. चलो ध्यान दो. Last session why you not attended?
What, sir?
वो last session why you not attended?
सर वो थोड़ा हमारे रिलेटिव्स में से एक की तबीयत खराब हो
हो
गई थी,
गया
उसको
था ना?
हॉस्पिटल ले गए थे। मैंने सर मैसेज
Okay.
मैसेज भी ड्रॉप किया था ग्रुप
Attend the
में।
session. Attend the session. Okay.
ओके सर।
देखो. Sir, I have taken one method. Test method. So this method I want to take three parameters: integer x, integer y, integer z. Please all of you, please interact. Okay, na? It's clear.
Yes, sir.
So same integer w is equal to x plus y plus z.
Yes,
Print this. Print this. Okay, na? So w is equal
yes, sir.
to w. So this is one method. So same method I want to write once again. And this is my method 2 now. Yes. So
Yes,
in this, I am writing string integer. Clear all of you? First method is integer integer integer. Second method is string integer.
yes, sir.
Yes. So here what you need to write? Bolo. Okay. So this is my x value. Yeah, this is my x plus y plus z na? Like this.
Yes,
Clear all of you?
yes, sir.
And one more thing, sir. This is what string integer. So here you need to write string na? Like this. Okay, all of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here I am writing integer w. Here I am writing string w. That's great. Come on, all of you. Please be interact. Apply your common sense. These are one methods or two methods?
Method, sir.
These are one methods or two methods?
Two methods,
Two
sir.
methods.
That's
In these two methods, I am applying at the rate test, at the rate test. So which method is going to execute if I don't give the priority? If I don't give the priority, then with alphabet it will execute. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, am I audible clearly? Please let me know.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. ठीक. Sir, I want to specify the priority. This is my priority is equal to 1. And I am saying data provider is equal to some. Okay. So some data, logical data I am going to give my data. So here also I am giving data provider is equal to 2 now. Yes. And here I am going to give you data provider. Okay. Data provider now. That's a data provider already I have given. Oh, this is priority na yeah. Priority is equal to 2. Here I want to give data provider is equal to some my data. Yes, all of you clear? So
Yes, sir.
two methods, but in these two methods, I have given the same my data and my data. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Sir, I want to write one method. Let's say public object double array double array. Here I want to write data method. Sir, in Java, there is a concept called as reflection API. In the reflection API, some method class is there. If you watch carefully, are you seeing method java.lang.reflect means
Yes.
reflection. Okay, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes, sir.
reflection. The method class is there. Method class is there. So I am taking method class. Okay, now keep some method here like this. Okay. Okay. Sir, I want to say object double array data like this. And I want to return the data, sir.
Data.
Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
I want to return the data. Why problem is coming here? The local variable data might not have been initialized. Acha, so local variable data should have to be initialized. Okay, now? But I have not
Yes.
given any initialization. That is why it is giving error. So no, not issue. I will initialize. So I am saying if sir, what is my parameter method? Yes or no?
Method. Yes, sir.
Yes, method. Sir, if method dot get name, okay ना, dot equal ignore को equ yes equal ignore case मतलब capital या small least bother equal ignore case यहाँ पे आप दे दो टेस्ट मेथड टेस्ट मेथड ओके ऑल ऑफ यू
Yes, sir.
some test method some test method okay now yes some test method sir I have given some test method okay
Yes.
इसमें आपको डेटा का वैल्यू प्रोवाइड करना है न्यू ऑब्जेक्ट डबल एरे ना
Yes, sir.
यस ध्यान से देखना इट्स लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूजन सर हाउ मेनी पैरामीटर यू आर पासिंग
3.
हाउ मेनी पैरामीटर आर यू पासिंग
3
3
parameters.
पैरामीटर यस और नो
Yes, sir.
come on all of you please be respond how many parameter you are passing
3.
be active amma be active 3 parameter yes all of you be active please I
Yes,
am
sir.
saying 12 comma 4 comma 45
Yes, sir.
okay okay sir just I'm copying like this okay now I am copying like this that's it any data you can pass any data you can pass sir I am saying 21 I am saying 43 I am saying 65 sir I am saying 24 okay I am saying 23 and I am saying something like minus 65 okay and leave this here leave this 3 is sufficient okay so here you need to return the data return data yes all of you clear return the data
Yes, sir.
no sir no sir this is the test method now so just give test method 1 sir same as it is I want to pass in else block else if okay and this should be method 2 this should be method 2 and here I am passing see this I have passing what integer 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 so this integer 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 second I want to pass string string integer so here you need to define the data na string string integer
Yes,
so
sir.
here you write sir java okay na java bolo Java,
Selenium.
Selenium, and you need to write 1001 like this.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So string integer. Sir, I want to do these things. Okay now. So here you need to write advanced Java, and here you need to write API, and here you need to give 1002. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Here you need to write something like mm, here you need to write Spring. Okay, Spring frameworks. Spring frameworks. Here you need to write Appium, and here you need to give 1003. Yes, all of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So return the data. So I return the data. No, sir. No test method one. No test method one. No test method two. Then else block now. Else block like this. Okay. Then you need to give something like what will you give? Tell me. So I'm saying .NET. Okay, and I'm saying Selenium. I am saying okay. .NET का कोई टेक्नोलॉजी का नाम बताओ. WCF Web Component Frameworks, and I'm saying API. Okay, and here you need to give something like बोलो ASP.NET and Appium. Here I want to give 1003. Yes, all of you clear? And you need to return the data. So you return the data. That's it. That's it. Okay, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what you did? ध्यान से देखो. Sir, I have taken one method, test method 1, passing the 3 parameter. Test method 2, I am passing 3 parameter. First parameter is integer. Second parameter is string, integer. These data contains what, sir? My data. So I have given one data provider annotation like this, data provider annotations. Okay, now data provider annotations. Here I am passing name is equal to what? My data, now
My data.
same name, my data. Clear all of you? Same name, my
Yes, sir.
data. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
this class, just run this class. Just run once this class. Run once. Yes. Are you seeing? All these are running.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, all these are running. Okay, so method 1 and method 2
Yes, sir.
both are running because I am passing the data. So this is the one
Yes.
way. This is the one way. This is the one way. So how to run the test cases? This is the one way. You have given the priority, you have given the my data. You have given the priority, you have given the my data. This my data you are providing from here. So
Yes.
test method 1, some data you have given. Test method 2, some data you have given. If test method 1, then integer. If test method 2, then string integer. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Sir, but the thing is, this is the one way now, because you are asking the data from some method. These methods are used to asking the data from some method. So these methods are providing the data.
Yes, sir.
These methods are providing the data. Okay. These methods are providing the data. Okay. So this is the one way how to run the data. Do you want to know the second way?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
if you want to know the second way, sir, I want to go in the test 10. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I want to go in the test 10. In the test 10, what I am saying, sir, give some method name like test data. This is what my method name is, sir. Okay, these methods I want to pass, let's say something string y and integer z. Okay, like this. Okay na? Or you can say both are string because no method should match. And I am saying string w is equal to, okay na, just copy paste this one, just copy paste this one, like this. Clear all of you? So
Yes,
this
sir.
method I want to run. So if you want to run this method, then add the test annotations, and I am giving priority is equal to 1. So this method you have to run in the first priority. What is the data
Yes.
provider? The data provider is my data. Yes, na? Data provider is my data. So in this class, in the test 10, do you find any my data provider? In the class 10, do you
No, sir.
find data provider my data?
No, sir.
No. I want to take my data from another class, that is test 9. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I want to give the data. Listen, sir, I want to take the data from where? Test 9.
Test 9.
Yes, na? I
Yes,
want.
sir.
Hello. Sir, you're not audible.
लेफ्ट हो गए सर शायद
शायद लेफ्ट होगा.
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen all of you. So, sir, I want to take the data from here. So, I am saying the data provider is my data. Okay, data provider is my data.
My.
Okay, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Data provider is my data, and you need to pass and you need to take the data from here. So, how will you take it? Sir, I want to write one more class, that is data provider class. Data provider class. Here, what you need to write? You need to write test ng. Sorry, test. क्या था वो 9 था ना test 9 dot class, something like this. Data provider class. Yes, all of you. Now you run this data provider class. So the thing is, data provider mismatch. Why? Yeah, why data provider mismatch? Why data provider mismatch?
टेस्ट 9 नहीं है सर उधर तो.
रीजन क्या है इसका? वैल्यू स्किप किया.
पैरामीटर्स में इंटीजर दे रखा शायद उसमें.
क्या पैरामीटर?
सर उसमें इसमें स्ट्रिंग ले रखा, उसमें इंटीजर ले रखा दिखा शायद.
कहाँ
टेस्ट
पे?
9 क्लास में.
9
टेस्ट 9.
टेस्ट 9 में क्या रखा हूँ मैं?
जावा सिलेनियम ये करके.
अच्छा अच्छा, ये वाला क्या, इंटीजर 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 स्ट्रिंग
सर
स्ट्रिंग
नीचे ये वाला
इंटीजर।
स्ट्रिंग स्ट्रिंग इंटीजर,
यहाँ
फिर
अच्छा
इसमें
अच्छा
स्ट्रिंग
ऐसा है
स्ट्रिंग।
क्या, तो यहाँ पे इंटीजर पास कर देंगे, सिंपल। अभी रन करें। यस, नाउ इट्स ओके ना,
यस
yes,
नाउ इट्स ओके, क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू,
यस
नाउ इट्स ओके, clear. So this is the one way, this is second way. Sir, first way is what? First way is this one. Sir, you are asked from one method, you are asking some data from another method. This method is used to asking the data from another method. So another method is providing the data. So this logical name should be same. So
यस सर
you are providing the data from data method. Okay now all of you? This
यस
is
सर
the first approach, that this method is used to providing the data to this method. This is way number one. Way number two. Way number
यस
two is, sir, you are writing some method. This method, you are writing some method. Sir, this method is also asking the data. Is also asking the data. So this data from where you are providing, the data you are
टेस्ट 9
providing from another class, that is test9.class.
यस सर
Clear? Test9
यस
dot class. So you are taking the data from another class. So this is the another way. Clear all of you?
सर यस सर
So like this, you need to run the data provider annotation. Do you want to know the third way, how to run the application in another approach?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस
Yes
सर
or no?
Yes, sir.
यस सर
Listen very carefully. Sir, this all project I want to convert as a test engine. This all project I want to convert as a test engine. How to convert? So right click on the project, go to TestNG, convert to TestNG. Okay, all of you,
यस सर
convert to TestNG. So I converted to the TestNG. Okay, so TestNG, I'm saying one. That's it. See all of you, come down and you find one TestNG one.xml created or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. TestNG one.xml created. Open this TestNG one.xml. Open this TestNG one.xml. See all of you, all the classes came now.
यस सर
All the classes came. Sir, I don't want all the classes. I want to run these two classes not from directly. कौन कौन सा? TestNG 8 and TestNG 9. देखो, watch carefully. Sir, Test 8 and Test 9, I was running directly from here or not?
यस सर
Yes. So I don't want to run from here. I want to run from XML file. So what you need to do? So you need to give like this. If you want to run outside of the class, so TestNG has given you the facility to run from testng.xml file. Clear?
यस यस
Run this application, yeah. And one more thing, sir, when you want to run the TestNG 8, and once you are clicking this, so only test 8 is going to run, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Test 9, sir, if you want to run the Test 9 and click on this button, then only Test 9 is going to run, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
यस सर
Yes. उसके बाद, sir, I want to run TestNG 8 and 9 both at a time, then go for
Yes.
XML5. Clear? Run
Yes,
this
sir.
application. Okay, all of you? Now see. See all of you? Are you running the test application 8 and 9 both or not?
Yes, sir.
I think this is from TestNG 8. This is from TestNG 9. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Clear all of you? Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. These three methods run for 3 times. So 3 times you are running from here. बोलो यार 12 plus 24 कितना होता है? Be fast.
36.
36. So this is from TestNG 8.
TestNG.
21 plus 43. How much? 64 now?
Yes,
So 64. 65 plus 23. 88.
sir.
So this is from TestNG 8. So 3 times this method and 3 times this method, 3 times this method. Total 9 times. See? Coming or not?
Yes,
Yes or no? Yes, all of you. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. Okay. Bolo, any doubts?
No, sir.
Chalo. Shall we go next?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Well, are you feeling interest now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Guys, if any coding, please let me know. Yeah. I know how to try Vedo plane.
No, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir.
Chalo. Sir, I want to create one method. Public void. Let's say some number addition. Okay. Number addition. Sir, some method I have taken. Okay. No? Some methods,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
like this you need to take. Sir, number addition. Here, what you need to write? Bolo. Number subtraction. Here you need to write number division,
Multiplication.
and here you need to write number. Bolo.
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Sir, 4 method I have taken. Very good. Listen carefully. Okay, very interesting topic. Very interesting topic. Number addition. This topic I haven't teaches in any batch. You are the luckiest batch, Ray, all of you. You can ask. Okay,
Yes.
this concept I haven't teaches in any batch. This is the first time I'm going to teach in your batch.
Yes, sir.
देखो, very important topic था.
Yes.
Number addition. You know why several concepts I have given you which I haven't teaches in any batch, like Flipkart projects, recordings. Okay, like this topic I haven't teaches in any batch. This is the first time I launch in your batch. There is some reason because in your batch nobody says except Raj. Okay, na? Nobody says, sir, when this batch will complete.
Yes, sir.
सर मैंने भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं कहा सर.
Hey, don't tell lie. You tell 2 times.
No, sir, never.
देखो, बोलो all of you. Yes, all of you. You are the proof. Yes or no?
No, sir.
He was said or not in the
No,
initial
sir.
time? Come on, guys.
हम्म,
He was told or not?
बोला था सर, 1-2 बार बोला था।
अश्मिता,
बट
अच्छी बात।
बाद में सर राज को पता चल गया है कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है ये टॉपिक। मतलब जल्दी खत्म होने से अच्छा है कितना टॉपिक हम लोग का कवर होता है और कितने अच्छे से होता है। राइट राज?
राइट।
यू एक्सेप्ट इट। इसमें कुछ ये नहीं है, बोला है तो भी आपके कंसर्न से ही बोला होगा, इसमें कुछ इश्यू नहीं है। लेकिन ठीक है, बाद में आपको पता चला ना।
Actually, important है कि नहीं है? It will
यस।
really
yes
needs
sir,
a time यार. It will
या
really needs a time. बोलो ये
इम्पोर्टेंट।
जल्दी जल्दी कंप्लीट हो सकता था क्या?
नो सर।
yes sir,
No, sir.
ये जल्दी जल्दी कंप्लीट हो सकता था. All the people are having concerns. सर कब बैच कंप्लीट होगा? कितना टाइम लगेगा? Then I am driving accordingly ना.
yes sir.
Okay. अस्मिता, you know Karina, right?
यस सर।
You know Karina. एक बार पूछना. करीना और you know अंकिता, दीपा.
करीना आई नो वेरी वेल, बट दीपा आई डोंट
अच्छा,
नो।
दीपा यू डोंट नो. सो वो लोग 11 o'clock मॉर्निंग बैच के थे. उसके बैच में 2-3 लड़के थे. गोविंद. ही
हम्म।
वाज कीप ऑन आस्किंग मी, सर कब बैच कंप्लीट होगा, कब बैच कंप्लीट होगा. सो आई वाज रियली नोइंग. सर, आई हैव टेकन 4 methods. ओके. सर, these are the 4 methods now. Yes.
यस।
Sir, in all these methods, I want to give some names. Or these 4 methods, I want to take in one group. Take in one group. Okay, and all these methods should contain 2 parameters, string x and string y. Copy paste string x and string y in number subtractions, in number division methods, and in number multiplication methods. So all these 4 methods contains what? 2 parameters. Yes, all of you, please be interact.
यस सर।
Yes sir.
So all these 4 methods I want to keep in one group. So you know very well. So this is student. Okay, this is student 1, this is student 2, this is student 3, this is student 4, this is student 5. Sir, student 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these are the 15 object of only student type or not?
यस।
These 15 objects are only from student type object or not? Yes. Instead of doing student 1, student 2, student 3, so what I'm saying, I'm taking on collections. And all these students objects, I'm keeping in one collection called as students collection. Yes or no?
यस।
Yes sir.
Clear all of you? So,
Yes sir.
sir, this is a student 1 object, student 2 object, student 3 object, 4 object, 5 object, like this, student 15 object. So all these objects are only from student type or not? Yes. So instead of going every student objects, I have taken all the student object in student collections object or not, so that in future if I will call the student collection object, all these 15 students will come at a time to me or not?
यस।
Yes or no? So like this, sir, I have taken 4 methods. In these 4 methods, I want to take in one group. Which group? So if you want to define some groups there, you need to give groups. So which groups you want to give? I am saying ARI, THME, TIC, arithmetic group. Okay, all of you? Arithmetic operation like this. So these methods will ask some data. Two parameters now. String x, string y, string x, string y, string x, string y. So these methods are asking some data or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So these methods is asking some data from another method. So another method will be data provider or not? Yes or no, all of
Yes,
you?
sir.
These methods are asking the data. These methods asking the data. So some methods should be there to provide the data or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So data provider. Data provider, test data. So these things I just want to copy paste like this. All these methods I have keep in one group. Okay, all of you. These methods I kept in one group. All the methods belongs to arithmetic operation, arithmetic operation, arithmetic operation. Means what? Sir, means one collection is created. These collections name is ARITHMETIC, arithmetic operation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And these arithmetic operations contain some objects, number addition, number subtractions, number multiplication, number division. Yes or no? Number addition,
Yes, sir.
number subtractions, number, okay, division, and number multiplication. All these objects belongs to one collections object or not? Arithmetic operations. That's why we have given in one group. Clear, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And all these methods are asking the data from another method. Okay, so do one thing. I'm saying, let's say integer. Okay, sir, I want to take the data now. Yes, listen, all of you. You are taking the data in the string type. You want to convert from string to integer. Sir, I am taking the data as a string, but converting into integer because of subtraction na, or because of addition. Yes, all of you. Because of addition, number should be 10 or 20 or not.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बोलो यार. हाँ? सर, इसका एडिशन होगा या इसका एडिशन होगा? बोलो.
Sir,
10,
10, 20.
20.
10,
10
20.
20 का एडिशन होगा. ABC प्लस XYZ का एडिशन नहीं होगा, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, sir, your method is what? Addition, number addition. It means 10 and 20 you need to take. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what type of the parameter you are taking?
String, sir.
String.
String. So string value you need to convert into the integer or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Because it is arithmetic operation, array, all of you. Understood? Come on, all
Yes,
of
sir.
you. Arithmetic
Yes,
operation.
sir.
So you
Yes,
need
sir.
to convert string value into integer. How to convert string to integer? How to convert string to integer?
Typecasting.
Type.
Hmm? How to convert string to integer?
सर टाइपकास्ट करेंगे.
कैसे करोगे? Tell me the code. Can you write down the code in the chat box? Can you write the code in the chat box? Hmm? No typecast, okay? No typecast. Sir, I am saying integer a is equal to integer dot parseInt. No typecast. Some methods are there to convert string to integer. Same way. Integer dot
Parse.
parseInt. Integer c is equal to a plus b, na?
Yes.
Like this. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
C is equal to plus c. all this you need to write the logic like this. This is your subtraction now, to give subtractions. Okay, all of you. And here you need to write what? Number division now.
Division, number division.
So give number division like this. Clear? Any doubts?
No.
And here also, what is this? Multiplication now. So give multiplication. Yes, clear all of you. So these all methods are from which group? Arithmetic operations. Sir, some methods I want to take. Some methods I want to take. बोलो कौन सा method? Some more methods I am taking, sir. Let's say public void. I am saying string. बोलो string concat. String concat. Sir, this is the method. Clear all of you? And this method belongs to. This method belongs to. बोलो groups is equal to. I am saying string manipulation. String manipulation. Clear all of you? Like this.
Yes, sir.
And here also I'm saying data provider is equal to test data. Okay. So sir, some methods belongs to bolo. Some methods belongs to arithmetic operations. Some methods belongs to string manipulation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. And give some method name. जैसे ये string concat हो गया, इसको लिख दो string concat upper. ओके और इसमें लिख दो string let's say concat ना string number concat like this. Clear all of you? So some methods belongs to arithmetic operation, some methods belongs to string manipulation. Clear all of you? And here also take some data string x like this, and like this. So some methods belongs to arithmetic operations having two parameters. Some methods belongs to string manipulation having some parameters. Yes, all of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, string z is equal to x plus y like this. And basically I am saying z is equal to plus z now like this. Okay, sir. Here I have taken string x and string y. Whatever the string is there, just I have given. Sir, here क्या है? यहाँ पे भी कुछ logic लिख दो. Let's say I am saying this is x ना, x dot to uppercase. Okay, to uppercase plus y dot to lowercase. Guys, any background noise?
No, sir.
So string z is equal to like this. And here I am saying z is equal to plus z like this. Okay na? And just keep like this. That's it. सर ध्यान से देखो. Sir, I have taken some methods from arithmetic operations. I have taken some methods from string manipulation. Clear all of you? Any doubts? Please tell me.
No, sir.
Yes. Sir, these methods are asking what, sir? Bolo? These methods are asking what? These methods are asking values. Sir, you need to provide the values. If you want to provide the values, create one method, sir. Let's say public object double array, and let's say this method one. Okay, all of you. And in this method, I am not taking any parameters. Okay, this method, this time I am taking at the rate I text. I test context, I test context like this. I test context, test context like this. Sir, these are from TestNG. It is also used to provide the data. It is also used to provide the data. Sir, I am taking object double array. Data is equal to, or data is something like this. Yes, all of you clear? And these methods is what, sir? Providing the data now. So data provider. The provider is what? Test data, test data, test data, test data, test data, test data. All methods containing the test data or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So at the rate test data name is equal to, you have to write test data like this. Fine, sir. Sir, some methods are there from arithmetic operations group. Some methods are there from the string manipulations group. String manipulations group. So two methods are there. Two types of categories methods are there. One category is from arithmetic operations. Another category is from string manipulation. So what I am doing, watch carefully. Sir, I am providing a string, some groups. Sir. Here I am saying text context dot get included groups. These are the methods. So that it is including the group. Which group it is including? Arithmetic operations as well as string manipulations. Okay, all of you. These methods is used to take all the groups which is inside current class. So inside the current class, how many groups are present? Two groups: arithmetic operations, string manipulations. All these groups comes under get included groups. Now what are you doing? Sir, I want to retrieve the groups. If you want to retrieve the groups, you have to write, okay, groups from groups now, like this. Sir, I am iterating each and every groups. I am iterating each and every groups. Yes, all of you, are you getting what I'm trying to do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I am saying, if my group belongs to arithmetic operations, so equal ignore case. If my groups belongs to arithmetic operations, okay, then provide some data. Then provide some data. Okay, all of you. Then provide some data.
Yes, sir.
Yes. $10, $20. Here you need to write, bolo, 30, कुछ भी दे दो, 78. Okay, now all of you. But one thing, sir, all are from string now. Yes, sir, you are converting the string into integer. Sir, some code you have written, watch carefully. Sir, some code you have written, some business logic you have written, so that string data is converted into integer type now.
Yes, sir.
So I no need to provide integer type data because this logic will convert integer type. So this data you need to pass like a string na?
Yes, sir.
And this method, this logic will convert a string into integer. So I'm providing string type. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Because method is asking what? Only integer type, na? Only, sorry, only
String.
string type. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Return data like this. Okay, all of you? Here, you need to pass like this. Else if no.
Yes, sir.
And this group belongs to string manipulation, na?
Yes, sir.
Come on, all of you. String manipulation. So string manipulation I have written. string manipulation I have written. This string manipulation taking the parameter as a string. So you need to provide
Yes, sir.
all the string data now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Provide the data from string type. Sir, I am saying Java. Here I am saying Selenium. Here I am saying API. Here I am saying Appium. Okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I provided the string manipulation data. Clear? उसके बाद finally you need to write some else block now, like this. And here you need to write like a .NET. Here you need to write like some C#. Here you need to write ASP.NET. Okay, and here you need to write Appium. That's okay. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. या फिर एक काम करो, इस वैल्यू को चेंज कर दो एंड से स्ट्रिंग इंटीजर ना, something like this. Okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why it is giving null? अच्छा, return. So return the data like this. Why it is saying return this one? Here you need to write null. ठीक है, ऐसे भी null में, ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर कोई डेटा रिटर्न नहीं करना, मतलब सर ये नल है, ये मेरा नल है. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम रिटर्निंग नल. अगर ये सब एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करेगा तो फाइनली ये नल होगा ना. यस. उसके बाद जो ग्रुप्स आया उस ग्रुप को मैंने इटरेट किया. क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? चलो इसको
Yes,
रन
sir.
करके देखते हैं. आई एम जस्ट रनिंग दिस एप्लीकेशन. जस्ट रन दिस एप्लीकेशन. So the thing is, I text context returns a null value. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. ये null value रिटर्न कर रहा है. क्यों रिटर्न कर रहा है? Because string number multiplication, string subtractions, अच्छा सभी चीज रिटर्न कर रहा है. क्यों रिटर्न कर रहा है? बिकॉज आई हैव टेकन गेट इंक्लूडेड ग्रुप्स ना.
Yes.
गेट इंक्लूडेड ग्रुप्स. तो अब किस ग्रुप को आप डेटा प्रोवाइड करना चाह रहे हो? विच ग्रुप यू वांट टू प्रोवाइड द डेटा? इफ यू वांट टू स्पेसिफाई, okay, then do one thing. Go to here, TestNG, convert to TestNG, create one XML file, that is testng2.xml. Okay, testng2.xml. Here, come here, testng2.xml. Sir, in this, which class? test11, yes or no? So सिर्फ test11 को रहने दो और बाकी सबको डिलीट कर सकते हैं ना? Yes, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Yes, like this. क्लियर? टेस्ट एनजी. सर हाँ, ध्यान से देखो सर, टेस्ट के बाद क्लासेस आया ना. सर टेस्ट के बाद क्लासेस नहीं आएगा, टेस्ट के बाद क्या दे दो? ग्रुप्स दे दो. ओके, लाइक दिस ग्रुप्स. सर इस ग्रुप के अंदर एक टैग होता है, दैट इज रन टैग. इस रन सर, ये रन क्या करेंगे? विच रन? सर इंक्लूड. ओके ना, इंक्लूड. सर कौन, ये देखो, गेट इंक्लूडेड ग्रुप्स, यस और नो? तो इंक्लूड करो. किसको इंक्लूड करना है? अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशंस को. सर आई वांट टू एग्जीक्यूट अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशन. इफ यू वांट टू एग्जीक्यूट अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशंस, डेफिनेटली यू नीड टू प्रोवाइड इंक्लूड अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशंस. मतलब क्या है? यू वांट टू रन द यू वांट टू रन दिस फाइल only for arithmetic operations. Clear all of you?
यस सर।
ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले क्या है सर, आपका टेस्ट एनजी 11 जाएगा, इस 11 क्लास में जाएगा, इस 11 क्लास में जाएगा, और ये चेक करेगा, अच्छा दिस आर ग्रुप्स, यस विच ग्रुप्स, गेट इंक्लूडेड ग्रुप्स। गेट इंक्लूडेड ग्रुप्स मीन्स हाउ मेनी ग्रुप्स आर देयर, अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशंस, स्ट्रिंग मैनिपुलेशंस, बस दो ही ग्रुप है। ठीक है, इस दोनों ग्रुप में से कौन सा ग्रुप एग्जीक्यूट करना है, विच ग्रुप यू वांट टू एग्जीक्यूट from these two groups, which groups you want to execute from these two groups, I want to execute arithmetic operations, so like this you need to provide the data। अभी इस फाइल को रन करो, just run this application। yes all of you, are you getting?
यस
yes all of you, are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding or just like some Malayalam movie is going for you?
नो सर,
hmm?
नो।
नहीं समझ में आया?
समझ में आया, मलयालम मूवी नहीं चलता।
okay, तो the thing is, this is the another approach how you run your testng file from testng2.xml. this is one of the real most example। ओके सर, एक आप लोग को मैं दिखाना चाहता हूँ, जस्ट 1 मिनट। आप लोग को याद होगा, शायद मैं कभी आप लोग को एक टास्क दिखाया होगा,
करीना
करीब,
वाला सर।
है ना?
यस सर।
कौन सा था वो? 7:30 AM का था ना? 7:30 AM में सेलिनियम प्रोजेक्ट, नहीं ना? आई डोंट रिमेम्बर यार, मैंने वो प्रोजेक्ट कहाँ रखा है, आई रियली डोंट रिमेम्बर ना। ओके, तो मुझे नहीं पता है कि मैंने कहाँ रखा है, बट आप लोग को मैं कभी दिखाया था, राइट?
यस,
आई एम रियली नॉट श्योर कि मैंने वो प्रोजेक्ट कहाँ रखा है। ओके, तो डेट वाज द यूजफुल प्रोजेक्ट, लेट मी चेक यार, एक बार मैं चेक कर ही लेता हूँ। जस्ट अ मिनट। नो यार, आई रियली डोंट रिमेम्बर, आई रियली डोंट रिमेम्बर मैंने वो कहा रखा है। अंडरस्टूड ना ऑल ऑफ यू?
यस।
यस
तो एक्चुअली करीना का था, that is the same project which I told you today ना, that is the same project was there, yeah. ओके, तो इस टाइप से एग्जीक्यूट होता है। सो फ्रॉम द आई टेस्ट कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑल्सो यू कैन प्रोवाइड द डेटा। yes all of you clear? any
यस
doubt?
नो सर।
ओके ना, चलो,
यस सर।
इसमें किसी को डाउट्स हो तो पूछो, एनीवन, एनीवन? बॉस एक चीज मैं आप लोगों को बता दूं, पता नहीं आप लोग इसको इम्पोर्टेंस दे पा रहे हो कि नहीं, बट दीज सब्जेक्ट्स यू विल नेवर एवर गेट एनीवेयर। आई एम
राइट।
चैलेंजिंग यू गाइस, सीरियसली आई एम सेइंग, इतना किसी फैकल्टी को भी पता नहीं रहता है, यू कैन आस्क, अंडरस्टूड ना? इतना
यस सर।
किसी फैकल्टी को भी पता नहीं रहता है। आई टोल्ड यू सेवरल नंबर ऑफ वेज यार। फर्स्ट वे, हाउ टू रन द क्लास, सेकंड वे, how to run multiple class from the testng.xml. Third way, how to pass the data from the another class. Fourth way, how to run the data or how to run your data with the help of iText context. These are the 4 ways here. Faculty can only know 1 or 2 ways. जितना भी हाईली फैकल्टीज को ले लो, कहीं भी जाओ, बैंगलोर के इंस्टीट्यूट में जाओ, जो जो आप लोग नाम सुने हो ना, क्या क्या वो इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम है अस्मिता, यू नो दैट इंस्टीट्यूट नेम फ्रॉम,
यस
है ना, वो सब इंस्टीट्यूट में जाओ, उस फैकल्टी को भी पूछो, दे वोंट एबल टू टेल यू दिस कंसेप्ट. Seriously, I'm speaking. Most of all the faculties are giving theoretically part. Test NG 2 days over. Seriously, guys, not a
यस
joke. Test NG 2 days over. Cucumber 2 days over. Web driver, web element, max to max कितना होगा, you know, 1 month. 1 month में कितने क्लासेस होंगे? 15 से 16 क्लासेस. Only 15 to 16 classes your session is completed. Java 10 days completed. Understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
Are you not feeling you are the lucky people?
यस सर, वी आर द लकी.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Amma, I'm so sorry that I'm taking lot of time, but that is your benefit only now.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is your benefit. इससे मुझे क्या फायदा है ये सब concept देने का, ये सब time spend करने का? What is the benefit for me? What is the benefit for me? No benefit, no. You are not going to give me
Yes,
one
sir.
money. You are not going to give me 1 rupees of money. Why should I give? That's okay, yeah. Okay, now. So the thing is, please understand the value. Okay, all of you, please understand the value. Understood, all of you?
यस सर.
These
Yes, sir.
concepts faculty itself don't know. How faculties will give you like this? Okay, now. So इसीलिए you are the most lucky people that you know these concepts. Shall I go next?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Yes. Sir, there are some methods. Sorry, there are some interview questions. Okay. Sir, there are some interview questions. Okay. Which somebody will ask, sir, let's say I am having multiple number of @test annotations. Okay, I am having 5 methods, 6 methods, 7 method, 8 method, 9 method, 10 methods. Sir, in this method, I don't want to run @test5. Yes, all of you understood now? I want to run all the test annotations, but I don't want to run @test5. Then how to exclude this and run all this? Understood, all of you? Within all the @test annotations, I want to run all the @test annotation except this. Except this. I don't want to run only one method, but I want to run all the methods. Are you understanding my question?
यस.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
यस सर. मतलब सब मेथड में से एक मेथड हम लोग को स्किप करना है.
Yes. I want to skip one method. I don't want to run one method. These are the very most important interview questions. Okay, now?
यस.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Like this. Sir, I want to set the priority. I want to set the priority. Sorry, at the text flow. At the test. And I am saying priority is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
I am saying priority is equal to 2. And I am saying priority is equal to 3. Okay, all of you. And just say this is your what here? Open browser now.
Yes, sir.
This is your open browser. Okay, sir, you want to run the login method now? So just go here and run the method. Okay, and you need to do the send mail now.
Yes, sir.
Send mail. Yes, all of you understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So from these three methods, from all these three methods, I don't want to run send mail. From all these three methods, I don't want to run send mail. How to convert? How to do? The convert TestNG, convert to TestNG, give TestNG 3.xml. Okay, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And just go. What is the test? 12 now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So inside this, define some methods. Some methods.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just come here. This is class. So inside this, some methods you need to define. So which method you don't want to run? Exclude that method. Which method you don't want to run, sir? I don't want to run send mail now. I
Yes.
don't want to run send
Yes,
mail.
sir.
Copy this method names, paste here in exclude names. Sir, it means when I will run this testng 3.xml, control will come to the test 12. It will see acha test 12 is there. So test 12, it will go to the test 12. Okay, all of you. Inside the test 12, it will see acha this is the first method, this is the second method, this is the third method. In this third method, which method you don't want to run, sir? I don't want to run
Send.
send.
Send mail.
So it will exclude this method and it will run only two methods. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Hey, why it's running like this? Yeah. Exclude किया ना मैंने?
हाँ, sir.
Oh, sorry. What I done here? One minute, guys. Actually, I run the test 12 now. So I need
Yes.
to run this file now. I need to run this file. Yes. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Only two methods running now?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
सर उधर स्किप के इधर वन आना चाहिए था ना?
नहीं स्किप
ये
मतलब क्या हुआ जब टेस्ट एनजी स्किप करेगा टेस्ट
ओके
एनजी नहीं कर रहा ये मैं कर रहा हूँ
ओके हाँ
ओके ना जब टेस्ट एनजी करेगा तब वो स्किप आएगा मतलब कुछ मिस्टेक हो गया है टेस्ट एनजी उसको रन नहीं कर पा रहा
तभी
मतलब ये कब आएगा जब मैंने कुछ गलती किया डेवलपर डिड द मिस्टेक टेस्ट एनजी वोंट एबल टू रन तब यहाँ पे स्किप आएगा
ओके
लेकिन मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ नहीं मैं कहीं गलती नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं इंटेंशनली इस मेथड को एक्सक्लूड कर रहा हूँ कि इस मेथड को रन मत करो
यस
तब यहाँ पे स्किप वन नहीं आएगा ना
नहीं
अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू
यस
Yes, sir.
सर वो थ्रेड काउंट हम नहीं दिया
What?
थ्रेड काउंट ऊपर एक्सएमएल में
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये बाय डिफॉल्ट आएगा। ये 5 दे दिया, मतलब 5 मेथड्स तक रन करेगा। अगर आपका 5 से ज्यादा मेथड होगा, डिफाइन कर दो 10 20 30 40 50 whatever। ओके ना?
Yes.
You know this thread count, if you don't give the priority, तब इन zigzag order it will run। ये मल्टी थ्रेडिंग का कंसेप्ट है। ये नो नीड टू, बिकॉज मैंने मल्टी थ्रेडिंग आपको नहीं पढ़ा है ना जावा में,
हम्म,
बिकॉज ऑफ नो नीड, so you can skip this। okay ना?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
How do you feel the session today, guys?
Good, sir.
good sir,
सर एक
interesting.
जो टेस्ट 6 था जो आपने पहले कराया था, उसमें वो अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में रन नहीं हो रहा।
कहाँ पे है? टेस्ट 6 में। ओके, क्या प्रॉब्लम है इसमें? क्या प्रॉब्लम है इसमें? Come on, yeah, ask the question fast. If you're asking the question, you should ask the question fast now.
सही आपने कहा था जिसमें प्रायोरिटी देंगे, तो इसमें सबसे पहले फिर ये अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में रन होना चाहिए, मगर हो नहीं रहा है।
प्रायोरिटी नहीं देंगे, मैंने प्रायोरिटी दिया ना।
यस
इफ यू
सर।
डोंट
सर वो
इफ यू
डिपेंड
डोंट
ऑन ग्रुप भी दिया हुआ
हाँ, तो दिस कंसेप्ट आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू ना।
ये कुछ भी नहीं दिया होता तो उसके बाद वो अल्फाबेटिकल में
अल्फाबेटिकल में रन करता। अंडरस्टूड?
है। यस सर।
चलो, कंसल्ट योर डॉक्टर फॉर द ईयर रेक्टिफिकेशन। ओके ऑल ऑफ यू, किसी को कुछ डाउट्स है आज के सेशन में?
No, sir.
No, sir.
हाउ डू यू फील द टुडे सेशन गाइस?
Good sir.
वेरी गुड सर।
Good, sir.
नॉट गुड यार, इट्स अ वेरी बेस्ट। ये कंसेप्ट मैंने किसी बैच में नहीं दिया है।
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
these concepts I have never given in any batch here. Okay, na? Because of time constraints. But you all people don't ask me the time to complete the batch. That's why I have given you in-depth subject.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
चलो, तो आज के लिए इतना ही रहने दो। Okay?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we will see some more concept for the test NG. Might be tomorrow we can complete the test NG. Might be tomorrow we can complete test NG. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.